I really hate when things like this happen, but it just recently happened to one of my viewers. You see, the other day I received this email, and I won't read every word, but it says, "Sadly, I'm writing to let you know that I was scammed on eBay a couple of weeks ago." And then he goes on to say it was his fault. I don't know if I agree with that, but you should be careful when buying Silver Eagles online, especially eBay. But he says, "I was looking for Silver Eagle deals and decided to look on eBay." He said he found a seller that had good feedback, and he had some Silver Eagles that were priced right around spot price. I thought it was a good deal with premiums being so low, so he bought 20 of them. When he got them, though, he was immediately concerned, or he says I was immediately concerned, because instead of them being in a regular Silver Eagle container with the green lid that you would expect, they were in a white one, like you would get with Buffalo silver coins. They're silver rounds, but I know what he means. They also kind of looked odd to me, so he took them to his local coin dealer, who told him they were fake. And of course, he sent me some pictures. So obviously, that's horrible. And I think it's really unfortunate that I've actually been hearing more about this lately with silver spot price going up. And also, I think the scammers have a new tactic that they're using to take advantage of people with fake silver. So today we're going to get into all of that, talk a little bit more about what happened to him, and I'm going to show you what they're doing. So let's do it. But really quick, guys, if you are new here, do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe and help us continue to grow. And by the way, if you want to get great deals on silver without having to worry about the fakes, check out my channel sponsor, SD Bullion, where their Docs Deals page at sdbullion.com/deals has brand new deals every single week. For example, right now they have 1 ounce silver coins, their choice design, at 79 cents an ounce over spot. That is any quantity, 1 or 100. And there's new deals every week, so make sure you check it out every single week for the new ones. And thank you to SD Bullion for sponsoring my channel. And I'll throw these pictures up on the screen. You can see we have 2022 Silver Eagles right here, and they do look a little bit off to me as well. They don't look as, what we will say, they won't have the visual clarity that you would expect on a regular Silver Eagle. These look a lot like some of the fake ones I've showed on the channel before, because I actually have fake Silver Eagles that were sent to me by another viewer a few months back who got them from Walmart.com. And this is a picture that he sent of the tube that they came in as well. And you can see that is definitely not a Silver Eagle tube. Now, if you're a new stacker, you should know that Silver Eagles generally come in a government issued tube, and they have a green lid on them that says US Mint. These are definitely what you would expect to see with just generic 1 ounce silver Buffalo rounds, or just generic rounds, whatever they may be. Now, I did ask him for a screenshot or if he would send me any of them, but he said he's actually in talks with eBay right now, and he doesn't want to reveal the seller's name right now just because of what's going on with eBay. He doesn't want to jeopardize his case. He also said that even if I could send these to you, he made a very, very valid point, and something I didn't think about with the Walmart ones way back is that shipping fake, Silver Eagles through the mail, probably not the safest thing to do, because you're technically shipping fake US currency, because they are legal tender face value of $1. Now, because they're coins, you actually don't get in trouble unless your intent is to use them to defraud, but it could easily be argued that that may have been your intent. So it is very scary to send them through the mail. I totally get that. So thinking on it that way, I probably don't want him to actually send them to me. But let's go ahead and look on eBay really quick. We're not going to make this too long, guys, but I hope you stick with me. We are going to look on eBay and see if we can find any of these listings that I was just talking about that look like they may just be really good deals, but in reality, they might be fake Silver Eagles. Okay, so we have eBay's website up, and we're going to make this very quick. I did this earlier so I could go through it quickly for you and not bore you to death. But next thing we want to do is we want to switch to buy it now. Then we're going to go over here. We're going to price it shipping plus price lowest first. And then the last thing we want to do, because now you see a bunch of COAs here, is scroll down to here. And we're going to set our minimum price of 35, max of 42, which is about spot price right now. So here we go immediately. Now, when I was looking earlier, this is the one I noticed that I thought might be our viewers' problem. And this one right here, you can see that we're selling them for $36 free shipping. And they have sold 126 of these. This is very unfortunate, because this is eBay, guys. This isn't like, Walmart and fake reviews. This is eBay saying, yes, this vendor sold 126 of these. Now, they are showing a 2025 Silver Eagle, but, who knows what year they're going to send you. If they're sending you fake Silver Eagles, and I assure you, especially given that they have an 89.4% now, it may have been higher when he ordered. I assure you, at $36 an ounce free shipping, they're not sending you real Silver Eagles. So who knows what year they're going to send you. So it's very possible that he ordered 20 of these, and this is what he got. But I was scrolling through some of these. We saw another listing right here, 5 2016s for $40. Obviously, these are fake 1 ounce silver BU. Another one with low feedback rating at 70 or 97.1% with 65 reviews. But there was one that I saw that I also was like, maybe it was him. And that was this one right here, because this one was really close to spot price, probably when he ordered these. He said a couple of weeks ago. So it's probably right around the time silver hit 40. And here we go at $40 an ounce plus $4.51 delivery. Now, the issue with this, and this is one thing I want to point out, is that these people selling fake silver eagles, right? And again, I don't know what they're going to send you, so maybe you're going to get a real one. I'm going to guess that probably not the case, but I'm not going to say that any of these are fake 100% equivocally, because I don't have them and don't know. But the issue I have with stuff like this is people can see, oh, well, it's 98.9% rating, but the product has 5 stars. The issue is that the product rating is linked to a 2010 Silver Eagle. It's not linked to the 2010 Silver Eagle that the seller is selling. And so people will see this and be like, oh, it has 5 stars. It's got to be real. In reality, it may not be. So I think these product ratings can be very, very misleading. Now, one other thing I wanted to show you really quickly is this one right here. Now, this one is priced at just $6.99 plus $1.99 delivery, located in China. We all know this is fake. This is not a question. I will say right now, these are not real eagles. It says collectible American fine Liberty or fine silver, so it's saying it's silver. Eagle Liberty souvenir coin new. It's hard to say all that because it doesn't flow. 210 of these have been sold, and probably all sold into the US. And the issue with things like this is that people that have the intent to scam somebody else can order these and get them for $9 each, or if you order 100 of them, $7 each plus $2 shipping, whatever it may be. I don't know. My point is they can get them for way under spot price. We're talking, 20, 15% of spot, maybe less, assuming they were real, which they're not. And then they take these and they sell them to people in person. They take them and sell them to someone else at a flea market or at a stand at a swap meet or whatever it may be. They sell them to their friend down the street or, on Craigslist, or they relist them and sell them on eBay for $40 an ounce, like we saw earlier. And that is a major problem. I really believe that there should be, and there probably are ways that these online marketplaces, eBay or Walmart or Amazon, I've not really seen much on Amazon, but a lot of these marketplaces that allow these things to be sold. There are AI tools now. There should be tools in place to scan for obviously fake listings and at least flag them for human review, for, additional review. I really do believe that should be a thing. As easy it is for YouTube to find out that someone used 2 seconds of a song that's licensed in videos, you would imagine that a text and picture-based listing would be easy to track down using AI, and they don't do it. But things like that, and the fact that they are being resold in person after they're bought cheaply off places like eBay, like I showed you, is why I recommend people have a way to test their silver. Now, I recommend, if you don't have a huge budget, the Pocket Pinger. There is a link in the description below. This video is not sponsored by the Pocket Pinger, but I do have an affiliate link. It supports the channel, and I'll also link a video that shows you how to use it. We're not going to get into that here. If you don't want the Pocket Pinger, if you have money to afford like a Sigma, get a Sigma Pro. I don't recommend the base model Sigma, but I do recommend the Sigma Pro if you have the money for it. Unfortunately, it's a lot of money. I mean, those things are thousands of dollars, but definitely worth it if you can afford it. If you're buying a lot of gold, think about it. If a Sigma finds one fake 1 ounce gold coin, it has more than doubled its price, right? Or its value, or maybe not more than double. They are really expensive, but it's definitely paid for itself in one 1 ounce gold coin. So Sigma Pro, Pocket Pinger, again, link in the description below. I'll put a video down there as well that shows how to use it and why it works so well. But some way to test your gold and silver. Find a way to do it, whatever way is more comfortable to you. Or if you're not going to do that, just buy it from reputable dealers and stay away from things like that. It's unfortunate we have to do that. I would love for somebody to be able to start their own eBay with like 5 feedback and start selling silver eagles and nobody have to worry about fakes because everyone's honest. But that's not the world. The world is out to take advantage of everybody else. They don't worry about how other people are doing. They just worry about themselves. I don't know how people like that sleep at night. Doesn't make any sense to me. But that's just the way it is. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you learned anything, please let me know. Leave a comment down below. Hit the like button. Maybe subscribe and help us continue to grow. But other than that, that's all I had for you. And I hope, like I said, you enjoyed today's video. So guys, make sure you stack long, stack heavy, and have a great rest of your day. We'll see you next time.